Out at the park doing some plein air painting. It's February 12th. Let's see, I'm not sure. Yeah, I am sure of the time. It's 10:14 and it's a beautiful day out. And this is my first time out with the plein air Pashad box. You can see it over my shoulder right there. And I'm going to be painting that scene right back there with the reflection of the sun off the water. I got my big brushes today because I'm going to be covering this up pretty quick with let's see, a sienna, yellow ochre wash. And I'm working with acrylic right now. So I'm going to put this yellow ochre down with a little bit of burnt umber in it. And bump everything up. Just get the color on there. Paint is a little bit dry. My husband, he's getting some water for me. Thank you, I appreciate it. I left my water at home. I filled it up, the jar, and actually left it at home. Amazing. Amazing. Acrylic dries really fast. Thank you, honey. I appreciate that. This is the underpainting. I really needed that water because it dries up as soon as you put it on there. Pretty much what it's windy out right now.
Okay.
It's a good thing you brought some drinking water.
Mess up the whole
Man, I would have messed up everything. I think you can see the gist of what I put down there on the canvas. And I'm not going to stay out here too long. I'm thinking this will be it for right now. And then I'll take it back home and try to do a little bit more with it. Work with it. Take a picture. And the mission is accomplished. Just getting the shapes down and trying to get the colors. Color mixing was a challenge and I copped out and stopped painting as much because of that, but this time I'm determined to get the color theory down. So bear with me in this journey of plein air painting. Once again, signing off, Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere. Bye for now.